Hello, LT here with 7citiesmarketing.com. In this video we will share the many advantages of being affiliated with Clickbank. Please watch this video till the end to get my number 1 recommendation for Clickbank training. Now let's jump right to it. There are an endless number of advantages to becoming a Clickbank affiliate, and the potential for a greater share of the internet marketing pie is virtually unlimited. Clickbank is generally considered to be the most popular vending resource for internet marketers who create informational products for a wide range of topics including computer training, health issues, finances, self-improvement, and a countless array of subjects that span the entire spectrum of human innovation. Clickbank categorizes the many subjects and topics into a highly organized database that is user-friendly and easy to search. Each affiliate has the option of selecting a particular member's product and marketing it to a chosen segment of the internet community. First, establishing a presence with a Clickbank account is necessary. Signing up for an account takes little time, and once this step is completed, you can begin the process of choosing a niche and product to market. The greatest advantage of having an account is the freedom to pick any topic, market the item, pocket the profits, and spend very little time with preparation and research. 3 years ago, Carolyn Cotton became an affiliate at the suggestion of a friend. After 4 years of college and 1 year as a legal assistant, I was making good money, but wanted a little more. Working around rich lawyers and their fancy cars made me want something extra. I didn't want to spend several years in school again, and a friend suggested being a Clickbank affiliate on the web. Carolyn and many affiliates have come to realize the power of this service and are able to carve an online business from the efforts of other website owners. After signing up and becoming a member, choosing a Clickbank product is the next step. Selecting a marketing and optimization plan to complement the product is the remaining step, and as a result, the affiliate has circumvented the entire process of creating an item to sell. Cotton describes her progress from being a novice to becoming an expert. The first few products that I marketed did well, but not enough to quit my job. By the second year, I was making more than my job. Recently, I resigned from the law practice, and now I make more in a day than I did in 1 week. I have a paycheck that my friends envy and so much more free time to do other things. The overwhelming popularity of Clickbank among the internet marketing community has created an atmosphere for enterprising affiliates who take the initiative to pursue their own business plan. Being a successful Clickbank affiliate can be rewarding for the progressive marketer who is willing to put some time and effort toward a unique marketing plan. The luxury of spending no time on research, planning, and preparing a product is a definite advantage and lends more time to marketing and list building strategies. These incentives make a Clickbank marketing option an attractive plan for any affiliate. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button and notification bell. That being said, this is LT with 7citiesmarketing.com. See you on the next video. Goodbye.